which one is an integral part of our entertainment, and it also carries a significant meaning in one's life for making sure the best use of their leisure time. As belong to football lover, my favorite sportsman is also from this corner. Lionel Messi, who is well known throughout the globe for his best and unique performance in playing. I like him most not for his best performance in playing, but rather I like him most for his personal attributes. He carries lots of attributes which are quite different from others, and which are also once in a blue moon in the case of other players. That's why I like him most. He have selected as a best player of the year more than once, and it is not need to say how popular he is. Okay, thanks.